headphones?
So did you guys want to play on hard, force to max?
Yeah!
What is that thing called?
A blimp.
The Strange Brigade.
Why is there boots? Why is there boots? Why is there...
Just as long as it goes better than that mess of Patagonia.
What happened to Patagonia?
It's okay.
Let's go this way.
Oh my! What's this?
Oh my!
Good lord!
Good morning.
Necromancy. Oh, were you gonna shoot me,
See
Chloe?
what this one's got for us.
No.
Chloe pointed a gun right at my head. I saw it.
No way.
You mean like this?
You mean like this?
Hand it,
Hand it.
hand it over.
Hello?
I
I'm
like
gonna
dead
shoot.
guys.
Okay.
What? Hi. Oh, what? Hello. Thank you.
Alright.
What the heck? Guys, I found a cat. I'm holding it at gunpoint.
Oh yeah?
Does this little
Aw.
brigade have a treat? Watch out! I'm reloading.
There was a pot right here. And now I have 3 out of 4.
What?
Oh.
Oh,
Hold on.
Yeah,
Stay right there.
we all got it.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, Carson.
Hold on. I gotta run all the way around. Hold on.
Honey,
Hold
you
on.
probably have that jar.
Well, I want to make sure. Hold on. Here I come.
Oh
Yeah.
man, it's gonna take him like 100 years.
Fastest runner here.
I'm already old.
All right, where is it? It's right there. I don't see.
Yeah.
Okay, I have it. Never mind. Bye.
Exposition man.
Fighting for the power of the sun.
What is that? What is
A very sleepy man.
Why is there boots? Why is there boots? Why is there...
You wanna know what's up? Up, dog.
What's up, dog?
Not much. What's up with you?
Ah!
Think fast, brigade.
Wow, look at that view over there. That's a beautiful view. Real beautiful view over here. Wow, there's a lake and a lake. Guys, do you see this lake?
Carson, honey, we're in a fight.
Chloe died it. Chloe died it.
I was
Oh,
squished.
Chloe dieted.
What you shooting, Carson?
Nothing.
No? It
No.
is pretty over there.
It's very pretty.
I hear a cat.
Cat. Grenade.
There's a special gun over here.
There's still this door.
Oh dear.
I didn't want to advance the level yet, Chloe.
For the brigade.
Yeah, Chloe. Gosh.
I didn't go in there.
Who did?
The magic door thingy. was
Magic
down
door
there.
just opened. It sent the key. These spices, these cherries things are huge. Anyway. Uh-oh.
What?
My grenade is out now.
Ugh.
Hold on, I got this.
Oh my goodness.
Potion.
I got it. It's mine now.
Never mind.
Reveals a dead horror from ancient times, awoken and set
We
loose
just-
upon the world.
Why, thank you, Blimp.
The Strange Brigade are on the case.
Why is there boots? Why is there boots? Why is there...
Oh, I didn't
Next.
stop recording. Hold on. Hello. If you are hearing this now, then you enjoy what I do. You've made it to the end of this video. And I thank you, for I worked a good amount on this video. A lot more than I worked on the Siren Head video. Which will probably get more than this does, but now that I have 26 of you, I can hopefully rely on. It's crazy to think that only a year ago, I only had 5, and now it's a little lower, 5 times that. I mean 27. There are 27 of you by today. Yeah. Let's see, this will go up in the morning. Or will it? No, I'll put it up. I'll put it up like right now. Okay. Thank you. I won't keep you too long. Bye, 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 bye. Like the video. Bye.